Yeah, like, I didn't come back home until late.
Put the girl in there. We're not gonna tell him that, you know. You know, you think something nephew.
Yeah, man.
You think good and thing, you know. You know, them way there, you know.
Wait, Unks. What? Why are you picking up leaves off the floor?
Brother, you know, see how the ground dirty. Only part. And leaf and leaf and
This ain't Jamaica, Unks. This is New York.
But no.
So why are you picking up, bro? Why are you picking up leaves?
We are Jamaican. We is clean people. Everywhere we go, we're clean. Outside of we yard, clean. My ground, clean. My body, clean. Smell me them. Fresh, I like. Me clean. Me no work so.
You don't have to keep picking up leaves. You're gonna be here all day.
Brother, you know you see me have OCD. You know one of them so?
Yeah, but
Okay. So when my mother raised me, every morning, me have to wake up by 5:30, me have to do out of yard. I wake up and I take up leaf. One bag of leaf.
so Unks, you're gonna sit down here, take up all these leaves off the floor.
And you can go on back of your yard. And my OCD don't work so. I don't know all the
I'm leaving you here. You're gonna be here all day.